Assalamualaikum, hello everyone, welcome back with another video. This is Mamun. I am a content creator and I hope you are fit and fine, and I am more and less well by the grace of Allah. So in this morning I went out for a walk, and in this morning I was thinking that what kind of structure can we learn. So eventually I found it, I got it. Today we are going to learn what is the meaning of should have been plus verb ing. So people can use this kind of structure many times. So one thing is that today's weather, like the weather is pretty good, and in terms of the sky is getting dark. The sky is getting dark. As far as the sky is concerned, it is likely to be rain, but I don't know when it will rain. Okay, so last but not the least, I would like to say that it is not enough to learn English yourself. You have to teach others, so that I will be successful when you teach other people. Okay, so I am having a drama so that you can understand my every single word, because I feel like having a drama. Okay, so let's see and let's get into the video. What is the meaning of should have been? Okay, plus verb ing, that means verb ing, that is called verb, that means go, it is called verb. Okay, so right now I am at my home, and the electricity, the current went off, and I am seeing that my younger sister is putting on makeup, and I am asking her that what is going on. You haven't gone to school, but you should have been going to school. Mom, what is going on? Why doesn't she go to school? My mom uh, is telling me that your sister is live on. Okay, even after that, she should have been studying right now. Okay, let it be. So right now I went out, and what is happening outside, I am seeing that there's a person named Korim. He is sitting on a wall, and he has a diabetics. I know that. I went him, and I asked him, uncle, you have a diabetics, but you are still sitting on the wall. So what are you doing? You should have been walking for one hour every single day. Okay, so after that, let's take another example. Like I am seeing that there are some farmers gossiping one another. I think the farmers should have been harrowing the field. Should have been harrowing the field. Okay, that is why you can use this kind of structure. And eventually I would like to say another example. Like there is a boy whose name is Mamun. So Mamun is playing with other boys. Okay, so what are you doing, Mamun? You are still playing with other boys, but you should have been going to school. Okay, so that is how you can create this kind of structure every single day. And at first you have to take any subject, any kind of subject. After that, should have been plus verb ing. So what is the verb? The verb is go, like sleep, like walk. Okay, so like make. So this is called verb. Okay, so that is how we can use this kind of structure. And let's see another example. Like I should have been making video, he should have been climbing up the tree, he should have been reading newspaper, or you can say she should have been cooking food, or you can say she should have been sleeping right now. Okay, so friends, this was that video. Okay, so bye bye.